to introduce my new car. So, next, I want to try it. New car. Surprise! Where's the ribbon? Oh my God, no ribbon. Okay. Po sila. Ay, nako, yan na. This is a electric car. So, hindi ko alam kung anong konsumo. Hindi ko pwedeng inform sa inyo kasi for the first time, I use the electric car. Electric. Oh my God. How can the... Where's the car? It's here. Ayan. This is how to open at the back. You push and you up here. Surprise! Float control. May payong pa. Ito na, explain nyo. Guys, ito yung box. Charger. Wait, sa bahay ko na lang.
Yan, box.
Ayan, box. But this is the charger of this car. No diesel, no gasoline, only charger.
Buksan nyo yung payong, tingnan nyo, baliktad.
Oh no! Ito po ang hinahabol ng mga
Flood control.
flood control. Ay, baliktad.
Baliktad. Kaya nga ang weird.
Flood control.
With free payong.
Para sa pag naulan, paalang ang baha. Pero ang itaas ay payong. Ring, bag. Charger, payong.
No, parang hindi yan charger, Noy.
Ito
Ayan yung charger, oh.
Wow!
First aid kit.
Mga
And this one, ano yan? This one.
pag na-flat,
Buksan nyo.
ayos ka din paano makakapos.
Nay, unboxing nga to ng new car, eh.
What is this? Another name is Volvo.
Nay,
Surprise! For first aid, when you ma-flat, and this is the spray,
for
the
ice.
icing, for when you go around in the mountain, if snowing, you need to spray.
Okay, next. First aid kit.
This is kit, emergency.
Yan.
What is this? What is? Para sa mga... Yun na, para dun sa... Hindi ko alam.
Ano to?
Regalo na isa. Ano mo i-unbox ko? Hindi, naalis.
Aspect.
Alis.
Paano ba to? Paano ba? Ayun. Oh.
Yung payong.
Titingnan namin kung ano.
Yun yung battery.
No, wala. Nasa loob yung charger.
Saan?
Nandun sa loob.
Sabi namin sa bahay na bubuksan, pero hindi ako makahintay. Anong laman nito? What is this?
Ay, charger din.
One.
Yun ata yung sa bahay na. Ano yun? Ano yun, Nay?
Yan. Huwag mo na, pag na-flat, get mo yan. That's all. That's all. Super comfortable. And this. It's leather. Half siya.
Ang alam ko na recycled leather yung ginamit dito.
This is recycled leather.
Kasi nga,
This is so-
sustainability.
And here, look, stainless.
Minimal. Sobrang minimal ng design niya.
Maganda siya.
Pakita nyo kung paano buksan to, Nay. Ayun, sa bintana. It's not here anymore. Nandun. Yun. Ah, yes. Oh, see?
How to open. Oh my God. And back.
Ipundutin nyo yung isa para makita nila. Oh, diba? It's
How to
not,
close.
wala na siya sa door. Nandyan na sa gitna.
Ayan siya kung paano isara. Up lang.
I-show mo din yung pinto ng unahan.
Yung pinto ng unahan. Yung door.
Yung-
Front door.
Yeah, the front door. Same lang din sila.
Front door.
Kasi nga, electric car siya. Wala siyang...
So,
Yan,
Here.
nandiyan pala.
here.
No!
Don't know.
Rear, sa likod. Paano?
Lock. Unlock. This is the volume.
I-show mo yung pinaka-monitor.
This is the monitor.
Diyan mo na yan pati yung aircon. Diyan mo open.
Yan. Alam mo ba, medyo
Medyo...
taga-bundok ako.
Tsaka na yung ano,
Wala sa...
yung pinaka-cambio ba yun? Yung, ano yun na yung tawag
Gear.
dun? Gear? Ayos.
Gear, this is the home. And home. Parking. So, ang battery pa niya is 331 kilometers, almost 98%. And you see it, how many the charge
98%.
98% pa siya. So you can charge and charge again. No diesel, no gasoline, only this charging. Like a cell phone, like iPhone, like everything, like my brain. I need to charge with coffee break. My God!
Nay, loko ka na. Pakita nyo yung... ito, push nyo. Hindi yan. May
This.
coffee holder. Ay, Nay, susi yun. I-push nyo push. Yan, oh. See?
Oh, kung gusto nating mag-wine, dito siya. Nako, gusto ko na maging contractor. Yan, dyan. Here. Okay. End of the day, nagustuhan ko na siya kasi since we need ang talagang eco type ng mga sasakyan. So, maliit lang siya. For city, for traveling, it's so affordable siya. Yeah, and also, I really love black car. Also, my BMW X3, it's also black. And
Ikot na eh.
ito yung kabuuan niya. So, pag mga city-city lang yung pupuntahan mo, lang na, very affordable sa parking, and you don't need to pay, especially in Milan, because if you enter in city of Milan, you need to pay almost 7.80 euros for entering if you have an old car. So, this is all. We try. This is our first time car na Volvo
Na electric.
na electric. So, from BMW to Volvo. But we need to try. Maybe next time we get another brand. I don't reveal anymore, but we wait for this. Thank you guys. Thank you. Guys, umupo muna ako dito. Kasi yung liaison officer ko, naayos pa ang release paper. So, let's take a little bit time.
One eternity later.
Oh, ito na guys. Binigay na ng liaison officer ko ang documents.
Huwag nyo nang buksan. Dito na eh. Ito. Susi. Ito yung susi.
But wait, you're saying that maybe people, maybe
And this is unboxing po tayo. Charan! Key! Where's the key? Only beige.
Key card.
This is the reserve na
Uy, Nay.
no extra ko yung mga kumpusilahan ko eh.
Uy, Nay, bibidyo tayo. Kamusta po?
Ay, talagang ano, dibdib lang, tatanong. Hindi break time. Walang parking. Tunahan pa kami ng kuya din eh. Kaya ang driver mo ngayon.
No, doon ipa pa. Nay,
Ay, Diyos ko, salamat po. Nakarating din kami sa pupuntahan. Now, we're home na, and I parking na.